Hey guys, welcome back to another Fequiere Fitness video. This is the wifey, and today we're making chicken and veggie stir fry. So you just saw all the ingredients. We're gonna start out steaming our white rice. You can also use brown. And now we are going to cook our stirred, I think it was the Japanese style mixed vegetables. Yes, the Japanese blend. These are so good. It has mushrooms, it has broccoli. So all you have to do is just add a little bit of water in there and then go ahead and heat up your pan about medium. You'll add your mixed vegetables in there. These are pre-frozen, so they're already washed and everything. So go ahead and add your mixed vegetables in there, put the lid on and just let it steam. Don't let it overcook because it will get soggy. Next, we're getting our olive oil and we're going to heat up some olive oil on the bottom of this pan so that we can cook our vegan chicken. This chicken is good, just so you know, if you overcook it, it will be very, very soggy. So just keep an eye on it. Keep keep tapping it to make sure as it cooks that it doesn't get too soft, because it just can. My husband did it perfectly. We've been doing this a long time. Now hubby is adding a little bit of salt. He's adding a little bit of pepper. No specifics in this one. Just kind of season your meat, quote unquote meat, to taste. And keep on turning it around. You see how he's tapping here to make sure it's not too soft. He got this perfect. It was so good. And then after that, we're gonna go over into our bigger pan and we're gonna get our toasted sesame oil and we're going to put that on the bottom of the pan to heat it up. Hubby is adding in 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil. And now hubby is adding the rest of the ingredients, starting with ginger. You're gonna want about 1 tablespoon of ginger. He's also going to be adding some brown sugar, only about 1 tablespoon. He's also going to add a lot of garlic because of me. The recipe calls for 3 cloves, but I am a garlic head and my husband knows that, so I might put a little bit more, but that's just because I love garlic. So if you like Panda Express, Kung Pao chicken, and that garlicky, go ahead and be heavy-handed with the garlic. It's delicious. For your brown sugar, you're only going to add about 1 tablespoon. And then you're going to add your soy sauce. My hubby used the reduced sodium, about 1/3 of a cup. Now, here's the thing my husband wanted to say. When you put the flour, you're going to add flour and chicken broth as well. When you're adding the flour, add it slowly and stir slowly so that it doesn't get all those lumps, because you don't want to be eating this and having lumps of flour in there like dumplings. So just add it slowly, stir, add it slowly, stir, and that way you'll get a really, really nice consistency. And once your sauce is finished, go ahead and add your steamed vegetables to that mix and take your time. Make sure each piece of that vegetable is nice and saturated in that sauce. Yum, 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 yum. And of course, if you like me, you Haitian, go ahead and taste that chicken, taste that vegetable. Make sure you don't want to add any other seasonings. When we cook from the heart and we cook with that taste. So go ahead and make sure you don't want anything else. And then bed your plate. Put that rice and then add your stir fry on top. I ate this together, so I dipped the vegetable into the rice and ate them together, and oh my gosh, delicious. I'm so happy that my husband be cooking for me, because otherwise, how would I even eat this stuff? But comment down below, let us know if you try this. Thank you so much for being part of the Fequiere Fitness family, and we'll see you in the next video.